Stop cleaning your toilet the traditional way. First, take a bar of soap and grate it completely until you have small shavings. Then add a good amount of toothpaste on top. Next, add plenty of baking soda. Now cut a lemon in half and squeeze all its juice over the mixture. With your hands, start mixing everything very well until the ingredients are fully combined. When it has the good consistency, start forming small balls with your hands. Now take several small pieces of aluminum foil and wrap each ball separately. Then using a toothpick or a sharp object, poke many small holes all around the aluminum foil. Then place one of these balls inside the tank. Each time you flush, you will notice how it helps keep the toilet cleaner and smelling fresh.